Well, everyone, I just pulled out the Beast, getting it ready. Well, actually got it ready. Just thought I'd do a little walk around for everybody, kind of give y'all a tease of it being cleaned up and cranked up and getting ready to go to Run to the Sun in Myrtle Beach next week. Ford Torino GT with the Cobra package. A lot of people think it's just a GT, but it's actually a GT Cobra. 351 4-barrel. All the interior is totally original. Has a little over 79,000 original miles. But I thought I'd give everybody a tease today before I take her to the beach next week.